Okay, so talk you through the level 1 exercise here. So the first one, bring that x up as a minus 3, then differentiate it. The second one, write that as x to the third, and then differentiate it, part it from and take 1 off. The next one, bring that x up as a minus 1, and bring that x up as a minus 2, and then differentiate it. This one, you're going to write as 4x to the half minus 3 over, that's x to the half, and bring it up as a minus a half, then differentiate it. The number 5 is just differentiate it straight away. Number 6, differentiate it straight away. Number 7 needs a wee bit of work. So split it up. X squared over 2x squared minus 2x over 2x squared plus 3 over 2x squared. Don't be tempted to miss that line. Do show the split up. Then tidy it up. X squared over x squared cancels, giving you a half. Those two cancels, giving you an x in the bottom row. So 1 over x. Bring it up as a negative x. And that just, nothing cancels there. Just bring your x up as a negative 2. Then differentiate. And the last one, you've got to times out that bracket. So that's to the power of a half. So x2 times x to the half, add the indices. 2 add a half is 2.5, minus 2, x to the half, and then just differentiate it. Number 2a, or 2 part 1, find the gradient of that. So all you have to do is bring that x up as a minus 1, differentiate it, and put in your x value. Part 2, you have got root x, just write that as x to the half, differentiate it, and put in x equals 4. And the last one, write your root, you get x squared, x, root x is x to the half. Multiply numbers, add the indices, so it's 2.5 or 5 over 2, then differentiate it, and put in your x value. Number 3, find the equation of a tangent. So there's me writing out how you do it. You're told x equals 1. So you've got to work out what the y coordinate is. So that's me putting in the 1, 1. Then you've got to work out the gradient. So you have got y equals 1 over x, root x. Remember that's 1 over x to the half. So bring the x up, so it's x to the minus a half. Put in x equals 1. Over here to get your gradient. I times everything by 2 as I normally do, and then times it out and tidied it up. And lastly, number 4. Bring that x up as minus 1, bring that x up as minus 2. Differentiate it, and I tidied it up here, just bringing the x back down to the bottom row again. So it's minus 1 over x squared plus 4 over x3. And you're told that x equals 2, so working out the gradient there. I want the equation of a normal. So y minus y1 equals minus 1 over mx minus x1. I was only given my x value, so sub it in to get your y, and your y works out to be 0. So 2, 0, sub it in, sub your fraction in, and remember 1 over a fraction is upside down, and it multiplies out to give you this.